Jamie, hi Neil. What certifications do you look for or ask to know to make sure your supplier in China is ethical, i.e. they're not a sweatshop? All right, so I actually just covered all of this in my recent program, which was all about sourcing things from China. If you did that, then you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's just do a search. Let's just do my normal standard search. Leather dog leash. So there are lots and lots of different certifications. So hopefully you all know about ISO 9001 and how that is a global industry-wide standard that looks at the way that factories operate. Okay, so that's a factory specific, operationally specific accreditation, certification. So there's that. However, what we need is something a little bit different. We need something more human-faced, and that is actually this one here, BSCI, which stands for business, I have to remember it now, social compliance input or something like that. Business social client, I can't remember the last one. But anyway, so something like that. But essentially what it means, so let's just check it so you can see. Check it. What it means is all of these factories have submitted to a voluntary, it's voluntary, that's an important facet, voluntary audit of their treatment of their workers. So it's things like, do they get holiday? Do they get sick pay? Are they allowed to organize into unions? Things like that. So that's what BSCI, I still can't remember what the last one means. So if you're wanting to avoid sweatshops, check that box. I will say, in my experience, it is much, much easier for a trading company, i.e. a middleman, to get that certification than a factory to get that certification. Much easier. So you could make a good argument that that you ought to do much more due diligence to ensure that you're actually dealing with a factory and not a middleman if they have that BSCI certification. Okay, there's a good argument for that. Oh, thank you, Hayden. So Hayden says Business Social Compliance Initiative. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, thank you for that. Thanks, guys. Sonny and Nick as well for helping me out there. I appreciate that. But that's how you go about doing that. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.